Welcome back to the channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast, workshop warrior, or just someone who loves quality tools, today's video is tailor-made for you. In this edition titled Top 8 Best DIY and Workshop Tools Industrial, Outdoor and Home Use Gear You Should Own, we're showcasing a powerhouse lineup of products perfect for mechanics, technicians, outdoor explorers, and home tinkerers alike. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. Endoscope Camera. With its sharp 1080p resolution and Bluer 2.0 imaging technology, this handheld inspection camera is a practical tool for examining pipes, engines, or wall interiors. Featuring a durable 8mm waterproof probe and 6 adjustable LED lights, it delivers clear visuals even in dim and wet environments. Its 4.3-inch LCD screen offers real-time footage, and it requires no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth setup. The semi-rigid 16.5-foot cable easily navigates tight bends, while its ergonomic design ensures single-handed control. It's a must-have for HVAC technicians, mechanics, and home inspectors. Number 7. Drill Sharpener. This robust sharpener is designed for twist drills and carbide tools, making it a staple for workshops. The MR13D supports a wide sharpening range of 2 to 13 millimeters, even up to 15 millimeters with optional collets. It includes 11 standard collets and grinding wheels for both high-speed steel and carbide. With a 120W heavy-duty motor operating at 4,400 RPM and a point angle adjustment range from 95 degrees to 135 degrees, it's tailored for precision and durability. Whether you're maintaining a home shop or working in manufacturing, this machine boosts efficiency and accuracy. Number 6. Welding Helmet. For professionals in metalworking or fabrication, this powered air-purifying respirator kit provides essential protection and comfort. It features a high-efficiency P3TH3P RSL filter system, solar auto-darkening helmet, and a reliable blower motor with adjustable airflow. Powered by a 14.8V lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 10 hours of clean, breathable air. The design meets EN 12941 standards and operates below 60 dB for quiet performance. With universal charging support and replaceable filters, it's engineered for prolonged industrial use in harsh environments. Number 5. Measuring Ruler. This aluminum multi-angle ruler is a precision tool for layout and marking in woodworking, tiling, and metal fabrication. Its all-metal knobs and premium aluminum alloy construction make it durable and resistant to wear. Laser-etched markings remain visible over time, ensuring measurement accuracy. With a total length of over 30 centimeters and foldable joints, it adapts quickly to various shapes and angles, streamlining layout tasks for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 4. Cordless Screwdriver. Compact and powerful, this 3.6V rechargeable screwdriver by Meja combines minimalist design with high functionality. Delivering up to 5 Nm of torque, it's ideal for light to medium tasks around the home. It comes with 12 Precision S2 steel screw bits and an extension rod, packed in a stylish, award-winning casing. The 2,000 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures up to 3 hours of continuous use, while its intuitive button placement makes operations smooth. It's a versatile tool whether you're assembling furniture or fixing electronics. Number 3. Fish Scaler Tool. This stainless steel tool simplifies the messy task of cleaning fish. It features a dual-purpose design for both scaling and tweezing, allowing you to remove bones and scales quickly. Its ergonomic grip and durable construction make it a great addition to any kitchen or outdoor fishing kit. It's food-safe, eco-friendly, and built to handle all fish types, perfect for chefs and anglers who want clean, hassle-free prep. Number 2. Outdoor Shovel. Built for adventure and survival, this multifunctional folding shovel is constructed from tough carbon steel. It's compact enough for camping, but strong enough for serious field use. Whether you're digging fire pits, clearing snow, or setting up camp, this tool offers strength and versatility. Its military-inspired design features serrated edges and multi-use attachments that make it more than just a shovel. It's a field tool you can rely on. Number 1. Baitcasting Reel. Engineered for freshwater fishing, this baitcasting reel combines performance and reliability. With gear ratios of 7.2 to 1 and 5.4 to 1, it allows quick retrieval and accurate casting. The magnetic brake system with 8 adjustable settings ensures smooth control, while the carbon fiber drag offers up to 8 kilograms of resistance. Designed with a ceramic line guide and EVA knobs for comfort, it's both sleek and functional. Whether you're battling base or perfecting your cast, this reel provides the edge. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.